Yo, what is up, YouTube? Here I'm with my boy, and here's a Kuro 2.0, and I got my SI right here. We're gonna go out for some runs and see how the cars do, and I'm gonna show you guys what's in them. So, alright, so here we have the Accord. It's FBO E30. There's a Flex here. Kuro Turbo right here. Good, it's huge in here. PRL inlet pipe. So this thing is pushing out 400 wheel. It just got tuned last week by D-Ron. And here's my car. Same thing, full bolt-ons, E30. There's a Flex UK in the back. 271 W2 turbo inlet pipe. So yeah, we're gonna go out and see how they do. So let's go. Ready?
There we go, right here.
Ready?
Yeah. Damn, is that time?
Ready? Ready?
I'm on 60 now.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Sheesh.
I try to flat foot in that one, and the car jerked, bro. It doesn't let me flat foot.
You said what?
I tried to flat foot and it didn't let me flat foot. It jerked. It like kind of like hesitated and then yeah. That was good though.
50, 50, 50, 50, 50.
Yo, we were going like 130 plus, bro. It's just crazy. You saw that Civic, bro?
The one next to you?
Yeah.
Was this time?
Yeah, I was close, bro. We were like right there.
50, 50, 50, 50, 50. Bro, this shit tied.
You must get gap?
What is he doing?
I don't know. He said thumbs up.
Yeah.
Thumbs up. Ready?
Go, go, go.
Damn, there's no space, bro. Ready?
Go, go, go. That fucking car's in the front.
Alright guys, so there you have the runs. They were very close. we didn't have as much space like we usually have in the Mexico nights, but we did what we can. So yeah, so we might have more runs next week or maybe this weekend, and maybe with the WRX and the Cord and the Focus RS, and hopefully we get those runs done and see how the cars do. So we're almost at 1K subs, guys, so you know, just keep it going. More subs, we got more videos out, more racing, and yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video, guys. So stay tuned for the next video, and peace out.